Today we're diving into Beehiiv Newsletter, a game changer in email marketing. Used by businesses of all sizes, Beehiiv simplifies email campaigns, making them more effective and engaging. Let's explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's take a look at a few of Beehiiv's main features. Feature-rich platform. Beehiiv offers advanced features like customizable templates, A/B testing, automation, analytics, and seamless integration. Intuitive interface. Its user-friendly interface allows easy navigation and campaign management, even for beginners. Personalization. Beehiiv enables personalized content based on subscriber behavior, boosting engagement and conversion rates. Mobile optimization. With responsive design options, your emails look great on any device, enhancing user experience. Reliable support. 24/7 customer support ensures assistance whenever you need it, ensuring smooth operations. Robust security. Beehiiv prioritizes data security, safeguarding your subscribers' information against breaches and ensuring compliance.
Beehiiv offers two main pricing plans: the Grow plan at $42 per month and the Scale plan at $84 per month. The Grow plan provides essential features at a lower cost, making it suitable for smaller businesses or startups. In contrast, the Scale plan offers a more comprehensive suite of features, making it ideal for larger organizations with more extensive email marketing needs. Additionally, Beehiiv also has a free plan available, which allows users to send emails to a limited number of subscribers. Experience Beehiiv Newsletter's user-friendly interface and robust features firsthand. With intuitive navigation and comprehensive tutorials, mastering Beehiiv Newsletter is a breeze. However, some users have reported occasional glitches in the interface, impacting overall usability. In summary, Beehiiv Newsletter shines in its user-friendly interface, powerful automation capabilities, and competitive pricing. However, it falls short on occasional interface glitches and may lack some advanced features compared to industry giants. Overall, Beehiiv Newsletter is a solid choice for businesses seeking a reliable email marketing solution.
Looking for alternatives to Beehiiv Newsletter? Consider exploring platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact for similar email marketing functionalities and robust feature sets.
In conclusion, Beehiiv Newsletter emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of email marketing. With its intuitive interface, robust feature set, and competitive pricing, Beehiiv Newsletter empowers businesses to craft compelling email campaigns with ease. Ready to elevate your email marketing game? Sign up for Beehiiv Newsletter today and unlock endless possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy internet tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.